Hello and welcome to today's video, 5 reasons to choose Linux over Windows. The focus of this video is going to be on looking at the most important separations between Linux and Windows, and why Linux is overall just a better operating system. Linux by design is more secure than Windows. The security difference is due to a few key factors. Total users. Fewer people use Linux, making the attack vector much smaller. Bad actors put far more time into trying to break Windows. Malicious software designed for Windows will not run on Linux. Security through obscurity. Updates and patches. These are applied much more frequently on Linux versus Windows. Microsoft often leaves exploits alone for months to years before patching them. With Linux, these exploits are reported and fixed even within the same day. Open source code. While this topic is often debated, open source means that the code in which the program is written is publicly disclosed. Windows and most Microsoft apps are closed source, meaning the public has no way of knowing what is going on under the hood. Typically, open source is more secure, as there's a much larger number of people able to fix issues and to observe them. Reason number 2, resource usage. Linux is capable of running well even on old and lower-end hardware. This is a huge win for preventing e-waste. Linux will not tell you to buy a new computer because Microsoft said so. Reason number 3, cost. Linux in the vast majority of its software is entirely free. No hooks, no spies, no ads. Whereas Microsoft can cost tens of thousands of dollars per month. Office for Linux, entirely free. No product keys in sight, no matter how many machines you use. Reason number 4, customization. With Linux, you are not locked out of any features, programs, or changes to the operating system. In other words, it's the exact opposite of the HOA known as Windows. And finally, reason number 5, no longer sending feet pictures to Microsoft. While this title is made in jest, Windows 11 has been recognized for using a non-removable, enabled by default reporting tool called Windows Recall. Yes, that's right. Everything you type in, browse to, is screenshotted and sent to Microsoft servers. This is only one piece of software Microsoft uses to spy on you, and there is many more built into various applications. So yes, in practicality, if you have pictures of anything on your computer, Microsoft now has them too. And as a bonus, I'll give you another reason, as if you didn't have enough already. On Linux, there is no forced online accounts, there is no OneDrive syncing, and there's no advertisements shoved down your throat at every waking moment. So if you like Linux, like and subscribe. More videos coming soon.